So here I'm going to be showing how I take this piece of artwork that I originally did for stickers and make it into what's appropriate for enamel pen. Basically there I turned off the shadows and highlights, and I, on a new layer, outlining everything in black, going a little bit thicker with the outlines. That's just with enamel pens, the detail will show up a little bit better when you do thicker lines. It's just easier for them to make those lines. So just going over the entire thing. Now you have to block in colors. Everything, in other words, has to have a line around it. You can't just do shading, at least not in this style of enamel pen. I plan to have these made in either soft enamel or hard enamel. There are screen printing options for pens, and if you have a really detailed design, screen printing might be a way you want to go. It costs a little bit more, but you can get really nice details and shading. But here for this one, I was just going to change it to solid colors, which you can say I do there. Just make the body one color, spots are one color. The less colors you use, the less expensive pen will be to make. So they charge for every single color. And I'm just doing black behind the letters for them to stand out, because I'm going to have this plated in black. There are other options for plating, rainbow, copper, which is like called rose gold. But I like the black, it seems to really work. And there it is before and after.